The 2008 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, air conditioning, front, power windows, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, tachometer, daytime running lights, speed proportional power steering, tilt steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.